Make a great choice today with
The 2018 Transit-250. The Transit-250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, power steering, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, tachometer, power mirrors. Come see the car for yourself.